Here's a super quick mind-blowing reset for your headspace and emotions. You can do this eyes open or closed, but I recommend closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you breathe out through your mouth, let your muscles relax. And now notice your next thought without judgment. Don't do anything about the thought that's appearing. Just allow it to be and imagine space opening up around it. Shift your attention seamlessly down into your body. Notice what you're feeling at this moment, but don't think about it. Just notice the energy directly. Don't do anything about that energy you notice. Just consciously allow it to exist and observe it. And imagine space opening up around it now. Notice any tension in your muscles. And imagine that tension relaxing on its own, like you're not trying to allow the tension to dissolve, but you're simply allowing it to. And now notice where you feel the strongest sense of energy and buzzing aliveness in your body. And now, without judgment, notice where you feel the weakest life energy in your body. And now take a deep breath in into the area with the strong life energy, and on the exhalation, imagine yourself blowing it like a gust of wind into the area where it's weaker. And breathe, relax, and flow, feeling that life energy flowing smoothly, evenly, in a balanced way through the entire body, head to toe, like a wave of effortless flow. I invite you now to set an intention for the rest of your day, just one simple thing that you want to hold top of mind, moment to moment. When you feel ready, open your eyes if they were closed and take things one moment at a time as you simply look around with a fresh set of eyes, feeling that powerful, fresh flow of energy, embracing any sense of relaxed presence that you feel and carrying it consciously back into your day. Remember to practice this on a regular basis and longer sessions too, to go even deeper into that sense of presence and flow, and I hope you have an amazing day.